Taylor Swift's Eras Tour kicks off in a few hours and Swifties are counting down the seconds, until the show officially kicks off on May 24 at the Luz Stadium in Lisbon, Portugal. Before the big night began, Taylor was rehearsing her sure-to-be epic stadium performance. And of course, tons of fans camped outside the arena trying to hear what song she was practicing. Thanks to videos taken outside the arena, we now know at least some of the songs Taylor Swift was practicing. Of course, this doesn't mean they'll definitely make the final decision. Artists often soundcheck songs and change setlists until the last second, but for those curious about what Taylor Swift is at least considering for the Eras Tour, we've got the latest details on what fans are hearing out there.